How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. So this is a quick one. So as you know, I already unboxed the STS streaming headset from the Audio-Technicas, and you can hear it right now. Actually, I don't know if you can guess. This is with post-processing. As you can hear with post-processing, this sounds beautiful, sounds fantastic. Now, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna talk about this gaming streaming headset, and then I'm gonna switch to raw audio. I'm gonna remove the post processing so you can just have a barely idea how this sounds straight from the box. But the key feature is obviously the microphone, the capsule of this streaming headset 20 series microphones from Audio-Technicas. Again, this is a condenser microphone, condenser capsule. Like I mentioned in my unboxing video a couple of days ago, I bought the digital version with the Type C. It's going to give you more flexibility if you record in different places. For example, I can record in my living room while I play in my PlayStation 5, or if I decide to record something quickly, I can do that. This is going to be more flexibility. This doesn't mean that the XLR version is not going to be great for you. Again, it's personal preference, but at least for me, the digital version is much, much better. So, what this gaming headset is going to give you is going to give you a crystal clear sound. It's going to give you the comfortable fit of the Audio-Technica ATH-M50 series. Although I do have my original M50x's, which let me show you. This is my original M50x's. They're amazing. Doesn't need any introduction. Super good microphone. Well, they don't have microphones, but what I'm trying to say is super good fit. They're nice. I don't know if you like this customizable option. I'm planning to do the same with the STS version, but they're great. Now, before you planning to buy the streaming headset that you can hear right now, something that you should bear in mind is that the cable is not detachable like the M50x's, original M50x's. So maybe for you it's going to be a problem, but I personally think it's not a big deal because the Audio-Technica ATH-M50x's, they are made like a tank. So the build quality is there, so you pay premium. So I don't think they're gonna have any problems. So if there's any issues, I'm gonna mention that in the future videos. But personally, I think the quality is fantastic. This cable is 2 meters, is plenty long enough, so it's gonna give you a good flexibility. So good quality, good fit. You can customize them, and as you can hear, their sound is perfect. But what we're gonna do right now, I don't want to make this video long. Let's switch to raw audio and let's hear the STS version streaming headset without any post-processing, because I think it's fair. You don't have to customize, add any EQs, but it's great to have that option if you know what you're doing. Now let's switch to the STS version without post-processing. And now let's hear the STS version without any post-processing. So let me know in the comments down below if there's any difference. I personally think straight from the box without any post-processing, they sound beautiful, they sound amazing. So either way, you don't have to EQ them. They sound amazing straight from the box. So I think win-win situation there. But let me know in the comments down below your thoughts. What do you think? Do you think they sound better with post-processing, or do you think they sound straight from the box sound great? So let's do one test before I end this video, because again, I don't want to make this video longer. So we're gonna we're gonna check the flip to mute. I don't hear any audible clicks, so let's do it while I'm speaking. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, pretty cool. So no audible clicks. Also here on the side, I have a switch, which this is for the side tone. So if you want to hear yourself, which I'm pretty sure you want to hear yourself, this is great. So you can hear yourself. But if you don't want to do that, just use the switch here down so you can just not hear yourself. It's pretty easy there. So there we have it, guys. Audio-Technica ATH-M50xSTS streaming headset. This is with no post-processing. Cool headset, which I purchased with my own money. Thanks to you guys for watching the video. The only way to support this channel is by liking, subscribing, and yeah, leave your thoughts. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.